Horses on La Cienega. Pass to begin. Down on the inside, Arras. On the outside, Maliwalas. Down on the inside, Panauna. And Taipundoring Arras by about 2 lengths. Moving up on the outside, Maliwalas. In the middle, La Cienega. Panahuna and Taipundoring is the early trailer. Panahuna takes the lead and on the outside is Aras. La Cienega is racing in third and followed by Maliwalas in fourth and Taipundoring. They swing into the back. We have Aras running by Drell. Panahuna, La Cienega in the middle. Maliwalas is racing in fourth and Taipundoring still in fifth. Aras by about 3/4 Balenka. Panahuna is running by Drell and on the outside La Cienega. Too far behind this Maliwalas and Taipundoring. Aras this time by about 3/4 Balenka. La Cienega is down on the inside. Panahuna, but it's still Aras by Balenka. Panahuna is running by Drell and on the outside is La Cienega. As they come down at the last 150. Aras and on the outside La Cienega. Panahuna is running by Drell as they come down at the last 100. And it's still Aras by Balenka. Running by Drell, Panahuna and on the outside, La Cienega, last 75 meters. Aras by about 3 lengths, Panahuna, La Cienega, and finally, Aras. Second, La Cienega, Panahuna, Maliwalas, Taipundoring. 2, 3, 4.